You see that? That's radiation. I'm going to let it keep growing to see what happens. And it's doing better than the one next. And it has a friend. Now, I don't know what its pronouns are, but I don't think that's a problem here. I'm going to let them grow. This one is good. Peppers look good. I don't see no abnormalities on any of them. Take this one out. They look good. Got another red one growing. The other side looks okay. Beets look good. Too much rain. Good and bad. Look good. Lettuce is all done. Tomatoes look good. There's a red one over there. This red one. A red one, an orange one. We're right into the fence. Look at the potatoes. Hopefully there's a ton of them in here. They're all purple. Make sure you pinch the flowers off so the energy goes back down into the potato. Okay, I'm getting ready to make this plum tart here. So I got the plums. I could use fresh ones, but I have those. Some almonds, a cup and a half of flour, pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, teaspoon of vanilla, 1 whole egg, and 3 egg yolks, about a tablespoon of brown sugar, a half a cup of regular sugar, but I might not use it all, a stick of butter, and this needs to go in here. I need to butter it and flour it. Some salt, baking powder, okay, you're going to want to cream the butter and the sugar and the eggs, but you want to do the butter and the sugar first. Put it in there. And the brown sugar. Okay, I'm going to put the eggs in one at a time. Keep going slow with it. And you want to start putting your flour in. A little bit at a time also. Okay, so here's your pan. I'm going to take some butter, put it on the bottom and the sides. Start with a tablespoon. I won't need it all, but dust it with some flour. Okay, it's buttered and floured. Now what you're going to do is take the dough, and it's very soft. You want to evenly get it in here. You want to spread it all around the bottom and the sides. I'm going to get it in the fridge for about an hour. Okay, it's been sitting in the fridge for about an hour. Got the plums and the almonds. So you want to put them on, make them look pretty. And just go all the way around until they're set. Okay, it's all set up. You can either wrap it up, put it in the fridge, and cook it the next day, or I'm going to cook it now. 350 for 40 minutes, but keep an eye on it. You want this, set, take it nice. It's all done, and it looks delicious. So I'm going to get some powdered sugar, put some powdered sugar on it. Okay, that's enough. Cut it. Shush, you're ruining it. Sorry. Looks pretty good. None for you. Thanks for watching.